If correctly installed, your Samsung dishwasher will provide you with years of effective and safe operation. Let's cover what you'll need to get started. First, make sure that the space is appropriate for your dishwasher. Refer to the manual for minimum cabinet measurements. It's important to have at least 2 mm or 1/10 of an inch of clearance on each side of the dishwasher, as noted in the manual. The cabinet should also be close to a sink, with enough room to open the door freely and easily load and unload dishes. Your dishwasher will come with certain parts that may be necessary for installation. However, there are some parts you'll need that are not included, mainly a power cable and hot water hose, as well as the accessories to install them. Kits may be available with all the necessary components. You'll also need some tools. Here's a list of essentials to get you started. More optional tools are listed in the installation manual. If you're replacing your dishwasher, you likely have a hole already cut for the drain hose. But if not, you'll need a 2.5-inch hole saw. Avoid cutting the hole above the connections from the dishwasher or farther from the wall than the back of the appliance. This can cause kinks or pinched cables and hoses. If the base inside the sink is raised above the kitchen floor, higher than the connections on the dishwasher, make another hole in the base of the cabinet. The hole should be close to the connections on the dishwasher. In this installation, we want to cut the hole as close to the bottom of the cabinet wall as possible. Also, it's a good idea at this point to apply the included protective sticker under wood or laminate countertops to prevent scratches and moisture damage to your countertop.